Well, today we're delighted to have Martin McGuinness in with us and Maeve McLaughlin, both obviously in from Derry. Martin is the Deputy First Minister. He's obviously the senior Sinn Féin leader here in the north. And for us in West Belfast, Sinn Féin, it's important that Martin and Maeve have joined us. This for us is a day of action to support those people in the health service, the need for increased pay, better working conditions, better services for the general public and a safer public. So we're delighted that both Martin and Maeve are here joining us on our day of action. We're going now to meet with the whole range of trade union representatives and other staff representatives from the Royal Group of Hospitals and the City Hospital as well as other health professionals who are working not only in West Belfast but further afield in the health service. So we're looking forward to that meeting. It'll be a very, very well attended meeting. It's an engagement for us which is very important. It's an opportunity for us to listen to those who are working directly in the health service, and that's an opportunity for them to input into our programme for government commitments.
Well, it's been a really useful engagement, and I'm pleased to have had the opportunity to talk directly with frontline staff today. I mean, there's clearly strains across the system, and I think those people who deliver our health service at a frontline level are struggling, I think, and there is a real need for us as elected representatives to listen to their concerns and to act. And I think there needs to be a radical reform of the health service as it currently stands, and I think people in this room are up for that, and certainly Sinn Féin, for our part, won't be behind the door in making sure that actual radical reform that is patient-centred is delivered on. I think it was an important engagement today. There was active engagement from the unions, from staff, from the ambulance trust, from allied health professionals, all here in the room today saying we know that you can make the change, that you can do the delivery around this, and I think it was a really, really useful engagement, and certainly one that we will be following up on.
And our activists in Sinn Féin have been out in all the areas in West Belfast. They've put up stalls and they have been organising petitions for local people to sign the petition to support the health workers. Huge support for it. There's a really good feeling about it. People are happy to see Sinn Féin supporting the health workers, and there's a real good community atmosphere. Martin McGuinness, our Deputy First Minister, and Maeve McLaughlin, the Chair of the Health Committee, have come here today to join us, and they're going round all of the stalls, and they run from the Colin area up in Twinbrook right down to the bottom of the falls. So right all over West Belfast, in the Upper Springfield, Kennedy Centre, here at Conley House, we and all the rest of our Sinn Féin activists are out on the streets supporting the health workers and encouraging the local community to give their support as well, and gladly everybody is willing to do that.
Well, it's great to be in West Belfast today, meeting with the unions and health service workers, and obviously supporting the Sinn Féin campaign for a living wage for them. We had a real opportunity in Culterland to hear the concerns that the health workers and the unions have, and obviously from our perspective in Sinn Féin, as we go into elections, and the big responsibility that all parties have to listen to key public sector workers and to try and do as much as we possibly can for them in the context of putting a programme for government together. So it was a real opportunity to listen and learn from their experiences, and also to pledge our support and solidarity for the fantastic work that they do within the NHS.